Back to the forecast we go. So many different impacts we're seeing right now from this drought.
Yeah, the continued impacts of the dry conditions are one thing, but now the wildfires are becoming a big problem, as well as the smoke that's going to impact all of us, even if we're not near some of these fires. Remember, burn bans in effect statewide for both North and South Carolina. Please spread the word. We're still getting a lot of reports every day of people not knowing that there's a burn ban in effect, and this is our #1 cause of these wildfires. While the weather conditions help contribute to the spread, they don't start the fires. People do. The air quality alerts are in effect tomorrow for most of South Carolina. These are going to expand north as we start to see a lot of smoke moving in from the south. That smoke is going to continue to push in from big fires down in Georgia. You can see those two fires down there. That south-southwest wind developing tomorrow, especially into Friday and a Saturday ahead of the cold front. This will bring a lot of smoke and wildfire smoke to most of the Carolinas. So a warm day tomorrow, but starting to get hazy, a little bit poor air quality developing as we go into the afternoon. Now the air is incredibly dry, so it's hard to get moisture out of this. That's why we've seen the fire danger. But eventually, by the time we get to next week, we could see the dew points get close to 60 on Tuesday. That might be our best chance of rain. I'm actually lowering our chances on Saturday. I do think we'll see rain, but incredibly light, not a lot. Tuesday may be the best chance, and then hopefully a pattern going into next weekend where we have higher chances of rain. The weekend front looks more impressive on here than I think is going to be because the dry air is going to eat up a lot of that moisture. But the second front on Tuesday, that could have some thunderstorms with it, hopefully. And then finally we get towards Thursday, Friday, maybe a wetter pattern going into that first weekend of May. Now, the 7-day rainfall forecast isn't super encouraging. We'd love to see an inch plus just to maintain the status quo, but unfortunately it looks like it's going to be well below that. It actually trended down a little bit from yesterday, but the blue, again, that gets us to 3/4 of an inch. That would be great. Hopefully we can get more than that with some of the isolated showers and storms next week, but the pattern has got to change. And that looks like it's going to take another 6 to 10 days where we finally see maybe above average rainfall chances. Right now it's backed off a little bit, maybe 30% chance of that happening. So hopefully it's just a sign of things to come as we go into May. So Saturday, definitely have some scattered showers, could linger into early Sunday. And again, if you're talking about timing, late Saturday, Saturday night looks to be the main time for that rain. Your Jerry Hunt Super Center 7-day forecast shows the heat over the next 3 days, a little bit cooler behind the first front. We'll keep an eye on those rain chances next week. We got that 60% on Tuesday, but later in the week, hopefully that pattern holds where we start to see maybe a 30-40% chance go up as we go towards Thursday and Friday. But again, long-range rainfall forecasts are kind of tough. It's always better to be within 5 to 7 days, and right now, at least the weekend chances are trending down as of tonight.